My wife and I are thinking about getting pregnant, and I can't help but think about what jobs are our kids going to do in the next 15 to 20 years with AI. You can see if you just type it on Google, that's what Goldman Sachs expects here. And I don't say this just to scare you into watching this video, but I do think that it is more useful, instead of thinking about 20 years from now, it's more useful about thinking about what can we do today. And my best bet is that I can try and make as much money as possible in the next 5 years with this AI gold rush if we play the cards the right way, so that, maybe the kids don't have to work as hard. Maybe. We'll see. If you don't know who I am, my name is Clay Lawrence. I make about $57,000 per month. You can see last 4 weeks. You can see the hover animation. This is legit. This is actually Stripe, not just a screenshot. Over $57,000 in the last 4 weeks, just helping local business owners get more Google reviews and rank higher on Google, and just basic marketing services. And today I want to kind of explain my plan over the next 5 years to try and make as much money as possible during this kind of AI gold rush. The whole frame of this video will be how to make money online, because that's what I have the most experience in. But the good news is that we have all this manual work, right? Websites, running ads, creating content, SEO, like ranking, helping local businesses rank higher on Google, and now helping them rank higher on AI search, customer support, messaging leads. We've had all this stuff over the last 20 years that local businesses are used to paying great money for to get great results for. And as an agency, we were basically paid and compensated to figure out how to do this and how to do it efficiently so we could do it at scale and help lots of businesses do it, right? If you want to make a 30-page website back in the day, or even a couple years ago, that might take 100, 200 hours of work, and basically the agency was good at outsourcing, or they had an efficient way to do it. Same thing with running ads. Being in an ads account every day and optimizing stuff is a pain. Now we're getting to the point where AI can sort of do it. Creating content, obviously AI can do that. And so AI is getting better at all these things. And the cool thing is that there's these massive billion-dollar, some of them are going to be trillion-dollar AI companies that help us accomplish this work. And the cool thing is, like, for example, High Level does a lot of these, right? They help with websites, they help run ads, they help create content, they help rank higher on Google, they help automate messaging via AI and automate customer support. High Level does all of these things very well, and that's what we use in our business every single day for review harvest. But there's many other ones, like Pixfield is making it really easy to create incredible content, videos and photos using AI. Merchant is helping local business owners rank on the first page of Google using AI in a very simplified manner. Closebot is one of like the 100 companies helping people figure out this: how do we engage leads, how do we respond with leads, how do we sell leads with AI without having to have somebody on the other side manually messaging people. And so the great news for us, and this is just the best news that you'll hear all day, is that these companies are going to be massive, billions, trillion-dollar company, and there's going to be so much competition to pursue these industries, right? It's going to be incredibly hard. But it is much more efficient for all of these businesses to sell to us, a marketing agency, sell to us, somebody with distribution into a network, than it's going to be to sell to each individual one of these business owners, right? The reason why High Level allows people to white label their software and gives them unlimited accounts is because High Level tried to sell directly to business owners, and it was a nightmare. They hated it. Like Sean, the co-founder himself, was like, I can't do that. And so he would just rather create an amazing product for marketing agencies. That way influencers and marketing agencies can go sell to their audience and to their network and do that part for them. And the great thing is that this is going to be much less competitive, right? The smartest minds in the world aren't going to be the ones manually selling and setting up these services for local business owners. The smartest minds in the world will be building the softwares and tools that we are using. And that doesn't mean this is a small opportunity. Alex Hormozi, Dan Martell have said this time and time again. If you want to make a couple million dollars, just get into the business of helping local businesses integrate AI, because these local business owners do not have the time to learn these softwares. These softwares are inherently complicated because they are so sophisticated, right? And it's a long, long time before people can just click a button and everything's done. Even when people can just click a button, a lot of local business owners won't know they can click a button or won't know how to use it properly. Because right now, using AI is great to get things done quicker, right? If you know how to build a 30-page SEO optimized website, AI can help you build that website so much faster. But if you don't know what a good website is, and you don't know what a website that ranks on Google looks like and actually brings in business for the business owner, then AI is just going to help you do the wrong thing quicker. And if you just tell AI to give you an SEO optimized website, it's just going to give you some generic fluff, because it doesn't have all the context it needs in real time, like March 2026, to actually get the business results. There's an interview of Uber's co-founder on Diary of a CEO, and we might be able to play this clip here, but where he says that AI sucks at learning in real time. And so it is our job, the people that are selling to these businesses, to be up to date on what is the right thing to do so that we can use these AI tools to do the right thing. If you're trying to make $1 million a year profit, this is the business to be in. If you're trying to be the next Elon Musk, This is the business to be in. So now that you kind of understand what my idea is over the next 5 years to make as much money as possible, let me show you exactly what I'm doing right now to make $57,000 per month, just helping local business owners get more customers. So the main thing I'm doing right now is you can use a tool like High Level to help local business owners get more reviews. So this review automation is where we basically integrate into their system. So we automatically send out a text and email to all their new customers to request a review. Actually, I even created a system where we can do that with personalized images. So instead of just sending a boring text like, hey, please leave us a review, we can send over a personalized image of the business owner, the technician, whatever, with the customer's name on it. So if you reach out to Clay, it'll have Clay's name on it, and it gives them a much better chance of getting that review. The first thing we do is we do a review reactivation. So we can take a list of all their previous customers, maybe it's 1,000, and we can turn that 1,000 customer list into 100 new reviews when we text and email all of them over the next month or so slowly. And all you have to do that in High Level is just go to Contacts, import the CSV file here, and then I've already built out all the automations in my snapshot. So just go here and you just want to add them to this review reactivation workflow where they'll get text and email. We'll check to see if they already left a review, all that sort of stuff, giving you the best chance to get them to leave a review. If you're interested in using everything that I have used and learned over the last 3 years to build this business to $57,000 per month, feel free to use my top link in the description to get started with High Level. This will give you access to my paid community totally for free. If you're already using High Level and you can't upgrade to the next level with my link, you can just sign up directly to the paid community below. You'll get my snapshots, you'll get 2 coaching calls a week with me where I hop on and meet you exactly where you are. You'll get access to over 900 people doing the same exact thing that you're doing, trying to utilize this AI software tools to help local businesses get more customers, and obviously for us to hopefully stack some juicy recurring revenue. So then after we get them more reviews, we use AI and High Level to automatically respond to these reviews. So if you just go to reputation here, you go to settings, you click on reviews AI, you can make sure this is turned on. Now we're using AI to automatically respond to all the reviews, saving them a bunch of time. Only thing the business owners care about is getting more customers and having more time. And that's like saving them a bunch of time with automation. So AI review responses saves them a bunch of time. Reviews repurposing, we can also add all these reviews to their websites via widgets. We can also post all these reviews onto social media for them. The new thing that we just add, we hit like $38,000 or $40,000 a month just purely with reviews there. But the new thing we just added was upselling a tool called Merchant. If you use my link to sign up the Merchant, I have a full course coming out in the next couple of months that goes over exactly how we're packaging it and setting these local business owners up to actually get results. And you'll get access to that paid course totally for free when you sign up my link down below. The way that Merchant works is Merchant uses AI and automation to automatically help local business owners rank higher in the Google Map Pack. So you can see here, the Google Map Pack is like low-key dead. Google's testing like this AI feature here, but there's lots of different things we can do to a Google Business Profile to make sure that it ranks higher. So you can see, you click on these AI search results, it's showing up with the Google Business Profile. Adding videos, adding photos, all that sort of stuff, Merchant does automatically. It can use its photos to create social media posts, update the content on the GBP, automatically optimize the Google Business Profile to rank higher on Google, and it can also automate AI reporting to your customers so that your customers actually know that all the things that you're doing, like making posts, responding to reviews, adding content to their website, all that sort of stuff, and it even send them a monthly heat map to show them the improvements in ranking. And lastly, this is one that we're about to start testing because I think it's just such an amazing opportunity. It is using AI to build websites. So High Level has a built-in AI website builder. Obviously, you can build AI websites with Lovable. I think it's really easy to throw up a website with these two, but once again, like I said, you have to know what's actually going to help a business owner rank on Google. You have to know what the 30-page SEO optimized website looks like so that you can use AI to make it really easy to make that website, right? And so you can build a 50-page website optimized to convert leads. You can do all this sort of AI dynamic personalization stuff to actually turn visitors into leads. And then new pages and articles added weekly to help build out this massive website for them so Google knows exactly where they are and what to rank them for. And this just saves them a bunch of time and gets them more customers. And the crazy thing about this is that local business owners are used to paying thousands of dollars for a massive website like this, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 for these crazy websites. And with AI, if you have the right process in place, like for you to learn how to make a 30-page SEO optimized website, and then for you to build the system with AI and build the SOP to do it, those two things are taking a long time. That in itself might take 50 or 100 hours worth of work to do, unless you bought a course or bought a template that shows you exactly how to do it. So a local business owner is never going to learn how to do those two things. But on the back end of this, after you figure those two things out, where you know exactly what to make and how to make it quickly, now you can pump out massive websites in an hour, 30 minutes with AI and charge a pretty penny for it. And so that's kind of the next thing that we'll be testing. If you like this stuff, I'm documenting my journey to $100,000 a month with Review Harvest, my business. If you're interested in getting 2 coaching calls a week with me, all my snapshots, all my templates, literally everything I've learned to build the business to this point, feel free to sign up with High Level with my link down below in the description. If you use that link, you'll get an extended 30-day trial trial instead of the 14-day free trial. And if you're already a high level user, you can upgrade to the next plan of high level with my link. And if you can't do either one of those, you can just pay directly to join the community. That link will be down there as well. With that all being said, if you want to watch me lock myself in my truck until I get a paying customer, check out this next video.